Hey y'all, I'm Danielia. Welcome back to my channel if you are new. We are about to go Thanksgiving cooking. I had to go do some last minute shopping, and now it's time for me to actually cook what I bought. I'm making a mac and cheese, and I'm making the meatballs like I do every single year. You can't mess up the mac and cheese. I mean, my family kind of Jamaican, so maybe they won't care that much, but my sister gonna care. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go downstairs now, and we're gonna start the prep.
Yeah. Give it to them. And that drum set?
It was rough.
I don't know how they play that. Can you say she can play
yeah.
it?
It was a drum set.
Did you play it at Jamaica?
No play, just sit down around it, so.
It was good enough. It was better than that.
What's wrong with it?
Say hi to the vlog, everybody.
Hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Let me get everybody. Kels, I'm putting that in there.
Stop.
Say hi. Say hi, Turbs. Hi, Turbs. We're gonna put her in the tank soon.
Hey chat. W's in the chat.
So
Say hi.
Hi. Thing break, so it wasn't actually going up and down. But apart from that, there was nothing wrong. Apart from that,
Somebody got. Hey, you threw that stone and it hit that pig.
One of the small drum.
They burst up.
No, none of those have skin bursts. Drum set.
Y'all got shorts on, don't trip.
Itself. Because when you press the thing,
No, me get that.
and actually the rest were all right.
Okay.
No, he's saying that it's just one piece. That's not there.
One piece is not there and the symbol wasn't there.
This drink can't taste ice.
I just think Khalees just couldn't play.
Miss, how long it take for cut one tin? It don't move fresh. It don't move fresh.
Yes, it has. It's been moving.
It don't move. I did it still look on the white side.
I did it. Auntie, no.
Don't.
Yes, it did. I got it on video.
All right, go and
They can see
spin. Go and
that it's
spin it because
moving.
me look on the white something same way.
No, it's different, Auntie. See, look, I just passed it again.
You just start moving
This is
it,
the
Danielia.
third time I passed it, Auntie.
So we ain't cut it so much time then for
Because
she
it
just
won't do
lift-
this.
Yeah, she
Oh.
does.
Okay, then it must have been finished.
Make sure you put it back where you find it.
I don't know what y'all doing, but I'm just recording it. What are y'all doing?
Fry the turkey.
I thought y'all was currying it.
Miss this not a bit enough.
I'm about to make the mac and cheese. I got all my stuff here. All my seasonings. Not all of them, but most of them.
Let's hope it works.
We're done with the potatoes.
Lord, in the name of
I'm gonna make my mac and cheese.
And throughout all of this, we washing our hands over and over again, and you should do that too.
Alright, y'all, so I forgot to record what I did. This time, I'm not gonna use the chicken broth. I just put some chicken seasoning in there. It's called like Maggie. It's like some Jamaican stuff. I use this right here. And I put it in there, and then I put a little bit of some like all-purpose seasoning too. Just mix that up in there.
Because you want to season your noodles.
But right now, I'm about to go make the meatballs. My sister's trying to make. She's trying to make.
cornbread.
My sister's trying to make. Take your time. My sister's making cornbread. I'm about to make some meatballs.
pudding things, but it's okay.
I have some. I think it's some oxtail. Ooh, it's some oxtail.
Rookie mistake.
So we're about to make the meatballs. If you guys want to help, y'all can. So we got these meatballs right here, and then we got barbecue sauce, the grape jelly, lemon pepper, and I think we need some hot sauce. Maybe Grandpa's hot sauce. It's hot. Who's crying? Are you? I thought that was Jameer.
Just calm down. Who's crying? Who is it?
Cause I'm not used to that.
Did he manipulate you? Ah, shut up.
Shut up. Jamari, stop. Pepper sauce, lemon pepper seasoning.
They joking around, but I got some of the fam to help me.
Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning salt, just a little bit. And then we're gonna add a little bit of this.
Proceeds to add the entire container.
Just gonna mix it.
And like I said, before touching the food, you want to wash your hands continuously. You know what I'm saying? Throughout making every single thing. But you guys already know that. Like, that's... Anyway, well, we making these meatballs, and, you know, it's starting to look good. I'm not going to lie.
Perfect. Back at it, yo. Definitely seasoned. You think it's good too, Grandma? It was soft. It's hot though. Need to stop more?
This is 10 minutes after we put the meatballs in the oven at 400, and you know, we mixing them up. And then we back to the mac and cheese, y'all. Half of this video, my audio cut out because for some reason it started recording in slow-mo. Like, who told you to do that? That's what's wrong with the Sony ZV-1F. Like, it's good. I'm gonna make a video on that because y'all need to see like the pros and the cons of this camera before y'all think about getting it. Like, it's nice, it's cute and all, but it's like, anyway, so we adding all the seasonings in, and you know, we putting the mac and cheese in. We make sure we're mixing it up. I got my sister to cut up that Gouda and everything for me. We adding some more Jamaican seasoning, and you know, we put some cheese on top. We added it, we mixing it up and stuff like that. This video is going by very quickly, y'all. This might be my shortest video on the channel, but you know, we didn't have no cayenne, so we had to use some crushed pepper. I'll make some cabbage over there. Sorry if I stutter, y'all. I always stutter. But this is the mac and cheese finished. You know what I'm saying? This is the turkey, and then I'm about to show y'all my whole tray. Like, the whole food was looking good. We had 2 turkeys. We had curry turkey, and then we had some deep fried turkey, and then we had some ham. We had a whole bunch of stuff. Our backs were growing. Our bellies were growing. We had a feast, and it was good, and I loved it. So until next Thanksgiving, or until Christmas dinner, or until whatever, for real. Maybe if y'all want to see my cooking video, like, come on. The whole family be cooking. I didn't get the whole video because, you know, slow-mo. But, you know, enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe.